Well, we're a global reaching, multi-district, multi-industry law firm. We practice in many different practice areas, and our clients consist of local, regional, and national companies. The industries that we serve are construction, banking, financial services, healthcare, community associations, real estate, manufacturing, distribution, franchising, small business, insurance, professional services and technology, and several others. Our firm growth model is predicated on adding value to our clients' businesses. So as long as we add value, our client base will continue to expand and grow. We're constantly getting more work from our existing clientele and recruiting new clients through our efforts to expand our own professional acumen. Well, fundamentally, we just try to learn what our clients want most, and then we try to compare that to what we do best. When we find that intersection, that's where we focus our service offerings. Therein lies our growth potential and our ability to perform our best professional services.